Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're fishing with little man here, and yeah, I've just got my light lure rod and we're just going to see if we can catch one or two little ones, and yeah, got some seed to feed these swans and ducks, see in the background, and yeah, not fish for long because it is wet and miserable, but yeah, just try and get this one into fishing at an early age, and let's get fishing. Perfection in miniature. Little tiny baby. Little man loves it, so it's good to catch anything. To be honest, when kids are this age, just helps get them into it and get them excited catching fish. Show them what it's all about. Let's get this little one back.
Yeah, Daddy.
Let's get this one back. Little man didn't want to hold it, so that's fine. Oh, there it goes. Ducks are now eating the food we left before, and he wants to go say hi. It's only going to go one way, I think. If you hadn't guessed it, that's where the ducks doing one. Oh dear. Where's they gone?
Away. Get away.
This young'un's come to say hi. Hello. Parents, and happy. This one's obviously the bravest. Nice to see a healthy canal. I think a few died the other year from bird flu or whatever goes around, avian flu. But it's nice to see 11 new swans. Down. Messing around with that one. Again? I'll try. It's gone. Oh. Can we move spots? Move spots. Careful. Yeah, you stand there. So yeah guys, sorry I didn't have my GoPro with me today. Yeah, just the one baby pike, and yeah, hope you enjoyed that little session. Yeah, that's it. When you're fishing with little kids, keep it simple, keep it short, and it always helps if you catch. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye bye.